How do you connect your design, engineering, and business teams together? With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, connecting SOLIDWORKS to everyone else is just a few clicks away. Being connected means visibility to the full context of product development for you and your organization. Without a CAD-centric collaboration platform, you might be spending time where you don't want. For example, design changes cause downstream impacts. How do you evaluate this before you hit save? Examine relationships, dependencies, and understand how every component interacts with the rest of your business. The solution starts with data management and goes much further. Immersive PDM and PLM tools are integrated through the SOLIDWORKS task pane, which is the portal to the platform. For example, you can push new revisions of your design and set maturity state with no special setup required. Attach your data to collaborative tasks to help keep a project organized and on schedule. Formal change controls such as issue management, approval routing, and change actions are right in front of every SOLIDWORKS user and the designs they are working on. How easy is it for your organization to view and explore your design work? 3DEXPERIENCE is integrated right into SOLIDWORKS, allowing you to immediately share design data across the team and beyond. And it doesn't stop there. Through additional 3DEXPERIENCE roles, everyone in your ecosystem is apprised of progress, always up to date, and can immediately leverage design work. Don't connect your SOLIDWORKS to just anything. Connect it to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. It's just a few clicks.